Imagine a space free of clutter, clean lines, and where less is more. Let's dive into it. Welcome back to another episode of Design Cafe. In this episode, we will be discussing minimalist design. If you have had an interest or trying to understand what minimalist design is, please stick around, and by the end of this video, all your confusion should be gone. What is a minimalist design? I am glad you asked. Minimalist design is more than getting rid of the unnecessary, but it's a mental state of mind. You have to first declutter the mind. It's first psychological, a canvas of mindful living. It's about creating a space that is relaxing and has warmth. Focus on what matters in the space. You don't have to take away the personality of your space, just the unnecessary. Less is more. Minimalist design should be comfortable, clean lines, peaceful, calm. Think on a wabi-sabi and the Japanese design style, as these fit right into the minimalist design style. The appearance of less in a space, but still functional. Bring the outdoors in by using plants, stones, woods, water. Be bold in your selections. Go big or go home. Period. Go big or go home. A minimalist design also helps with the environment, as you aim to enjoy the needs and minimize or get rid of the wants. Enjoying natural light. Creating this type of design will take time, so be patient. Declutter your walls. Declutter your surfaces. Declutter even your floor space. It's like decluttering the mind, getting rid of those things that are distracting to you. Allow your space to breathe. This helps in ease of even cleaning the space, so you should want to do this. There are 4 elements that I want to focus on when you talk about a minimalist design: neutral colors, clean lines, natural light, and functional furniture. Let's start off with the natural colors. Consider using colors like whites, tans, cream, light browns, grays, and even black. These colors create an open, airy feel and brings brightness and depth to your space. They also make a space feel much bigger. Clean lines provide a seamless design and assist the eyes as they travel through the space. Use subtle patterns where necessary. Use large, simple pieces. Select timeless pieces. Architecture should be minimal with clean lines. Consider utilizing natural light where possible. Natural light brings life to a space and creates the breadth of minimalist design. Take advantage of windows, large doors, and even skylights. Try not to cover these up. This is a very big one. Functional furniture. The functionality of the furniture will assist in the decluttering feel of a space. Consider furniture that is simple and has storage where necessary. Simple pieces. No embellishments, no tufting, no piping all over. Simple pieces, one color. Every piece should have a function. Invest in timeless furniture. Remember, the appearance of less is more. Minimalist artistic doesn't have to be boring. Utilize different finishes like woods and stones. Lighting textures can bring interest to your space. This does not have to be a boring design. Please remember that. Minimalist does not have to be boring, nor does your space have to feel empty. If you place your furniture right, if you place the right items in your space, the right color palettes, your space will not feel empty. A minimalist design should feel very homey, very relaxing, and very peaceful. Consider using your vertical space. Allow empty space to allow your design to breathe. Conceal appliances when not in use. And if you can conceal a refrigerator, go ahead and conceal it. Create these seamless, clean lines in your spaces. Keep your surfaces clear. Use large items like mirrors to reflect light into the space and make your space feel even bigger. This can bring warmth and life to your space. Let your space be a space where you can slow down and embrace nature around you. Reimagine your space and create a space that is inviting and curated. Minimalist is not cold or impersonal, but is the zen of a functional design. Prioritize craftsmanship when selecting your pieces, quality over quantity. It's a space that allows you to live with practicality and functionality. Your space should bring you peace and joy. It's a purposeful design, creating a clutter-free environment. Embrace the minimalist within you and infuse your space with your personality. Always remember, never let your budget dictate your style, but create a space that you love. Design for life.